Ever felt that nervous flutter when applying for a loan or a new credit card? You've meticulously checked your bank statements, ensured everything's in order, yet a tiny voice whispers, "What if there's something lurking in the shadows of my financial history?" That shadow, my friends, could be your credit report. In the UK, there are three main credit reference agencies, CRAs, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These agencies hold a wealth of information about your borrowing habits, from credit card payments to phone contracts, building a profile that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Now, the key question is, which UK banks specifically use Equifax? This is crucial knowledge, because depending on the bank you choose, your Equifax report could be the deciding factor between loan approval and rejection. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's navigate the murky waters of CRAs and bank preferences in the UK. First, a little history lesson. Equifax boasts the title of the UK's longest established CRA. They've been around for decades, amassing a vast database of consumer credit information. This longevity translates to trust for many lenders, making Equifax a go-to source for credit checks. Here's the thing, unlike some other countries, UK banks aren't restricted to using just one CRA. They have the flexibility to choose, or even utilize reports from all three. This can be a double-edged sword. On the positive side, it allows lenders to get a more comprehensive picture of your financial health. However, it also means you need to ensure your credit reports across all three CRAs are squeaky clean. Alright, enough with the suspense. Let's delve into some specific examples. Major high street banks like Barclays, Halifax and Bank of Scotland, HSBC, NatWest, and RBS are all known to utilize Equifax for credit checks, particularly when considering applications for loans and credit cards. But wait, there's more. The reach of Equifax extends beyond traditional banks. Many store and credit card providers, including Barclaycard, American Express, Capital One, Santander, and Tesco Bank, also rely on Equifax reports when assessing your eligibility for their products. Thinking about a new phone contract or switching utility providers? Companies like BT, EE, Carphone Warehouse, O2, Vodafone, and Virgin might also peek into your Equifax file before finalizing your agreement. So, what does this all mean for you, the savvy consumer? Here are some key takeaways. Firstly, it's vital to check your Equifax report regularly. There might be errors lurking, potentially hindering your credit score and impacting your chances of loan approval. Luckily, you're entitled to a free statutory credit report from each CRA every year. Take advantage of this. Secondly, maintaining a healthy credit score across all your reports is crucial. Timely payments, responsible credit card use, and keeping your credit utilization ratio low, all these contribute to a positive credit profile. Finally, don't be afraid to shop around. While some banks might primarily rely on Equifax, others might favor a different CRA. Do your research and compare options to find the lender that best suits your needs and credit profile. By understanding which UK banks use Equifax and taking proactive steps to manage your credit health, you can approach your next loan or credit card application with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, a good credit score can unlock a world of opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.